Sari, and here I'm going to tell you about the summary of Why We Don't Prepare for Earthquakes by Stephen Edelin. The story of the Pacific Northwest begins 3,000 miles away, to be exact 3,000 beneath our feet. Because up from the spot in the core, there is a massive column of magma which is rising to two massive plates out at sea. And those two plates are spreading in opposite directions, but their journey is the same. The plate tip types the frictions and the tap causes it to melt. It becomes a pool of magma and it rises to the surface and creates a landscape. This process creates Mount Fuji, Mount Hood, Mount Rainier, and Mount Estialans. This process called subduction. Subduction is about a lot more and beautiful landscape and occasional volcanic eruptions. In the worst case scenario, we have a 9-point earthquake that shatters the infrastructure of the Pacific Northwest. It also displaces trillions of gallons of water, which comes toward us and goes all the way across the ocean to Japan. We actually have Japan to thank for the absurdly precious chronicles of our last 9-point earthquake at this precious hour. That is just one of the 43 earthquakes that we have experienced in the Pacific Northwest. And we haven't actually decided to get ready to face that. The speaker, Stephen, asked the audience two questions. The first question is, how many of you feel that anyone in the Pacific Northwest should probably be ready for this earthquake? And many of the audience raised their hands. The second question is, how many of you expect people to get ready for this earthquake? And no one raised their hand. The audience reactions showed what a common sense gap was. To bridge the common sense gap is by building a permission structure. Stephen also advised the audience to prepare even the smallest thing and share the information to the loved one as often as possible to become a habit. And the moment it becomes normalized, it becomes expected and it creates new culture. This is the path to getting ready for this nearly unimaginable earthquake. All of us living in a different variations of a common sense gap. Never underestimate the will of common sense to reveal itself. It's just waiting for your permissions. Thank you.